Hey everyone, are you trying to use a website or web application in Firefox that needs JavaScript or Java, but it isn't working? Unlike other plugins, Java doesn't come enabled by default in browsers. Firefox now has limited support for Java applets in newer versions. Today, we will show you how to enable Java in Firefox, or use other options so you can access Java-based content easily. Enabling Java in Firefox lets websites or applications that depend on Java work as they should. Java is still used for some online tools, educational sites, and business systems. By enabling Java or a compatible solution, we can run these programs, use their features, and keep our workflow smooth. Knowing how Java works in Firefox also helps us stay safe, because old or unused Java plugins can be risky. Now first, open your browser. We will show you the simplest way to enable JavaScript so you can follow along. After you open your browser, go to Extensions. Click the three lines in the top right corner, then go to Extensions and Themes. When you are in Extensions and Themes, find More Add-ons. Search for this. Type JavaScript. You will see some JavaScript switchers. The most popular one is JavaScript Java Bridge. This extension helps you use JavaScript in Firefox. Just click to add it to Firefox, uninstall them, and refresh your browser. Now you can use JavaScript in your Firefox browser. JavaScript in Firefox acts as the client-side scripting language, driving interactivity, dynamic content updates, and application-like functionality on websites. It allows web pages to respond to user input, manipulate the DOM, play media, and run complex scripts without full-page reloads, acting as the dynamic third layer of web technologies. This is how you can enable Java in Firefox, or find alternatives if it is not directly supported. Always keep your Java plugin updated and only enable it on trusted sites to stay safe.